back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a clean with me and a fall decoration. So this is going to be a very simple, easy fall deco, as my living room space is quite small and it's also a dining area, so this is ideal if you have a small home. So yeah, I'm just going to be first of all cleaning my sofa, because since we bought it I've not cleaned it. I've been so busy, but I'm finally deciding to clean it today, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how I clean my sofa. So this is what the sofa is looking like. Look at all those crumbs. I need to make sure that it's clean because the sofa really can catch a lot of dirt and crumbs. So I'm just using my Dyson Hoover, and all I do is I just hoover it all up, make sure that I'm getting in the nooks and the crannies. This Hoover is really good. I cannot wait to get a handheld Hoover. Definitely, I think by the end of this year I should get a handheld Hoover because it's easy to manage around the house. So now that I've finished using the small adapter, I love this about the Dyson Hoover. I'm now going to just change it up to a different adapter, which will be able to get into the nooks and the crannies of the sofa. You notice edges of the sofa where not the other attachment that I had would not necessarily be able to go in there, but this for sure would be able to get right in between it and make sure it's removing the crumbs from the inside out. We want to make sure that we clean every single thing. We don't want to leave anything unturned. The sofa is nice and clean, ready for the cushions to go back on top. It's everything that it needs to be at this moment in time. So yes, I've done a very good job, I believe. So now I'm just going to put my cushions on top, fluffing it, and honestly when I did this it made my sofa look brand new. My husband came down, he was like, something's different about the sofa. I was like, all I did was fluff it. So try fluffing your cushions on your sofas. Honestly, it makes the biggest difference. These are the things that I have managed to grab over my shopping trip, and I'll just show you what these are looking like. So I got this from IKEA yesterday, and that's what it's looking like. So I'm going to add it to, so it's a 50 by 50, and I'm going to see how it looks on the sofa. I got these eucalyptus, and I think these are like spray painted. I don't know what color they, yeah, so they're spray painted brown, and I think it looks really nice. I already tried it in one of my vases and it looks really good. I got this from, oh no, from B&M, and I just thought it's a nice added piece because I'm not doing pumpkins. As you can see, there's no pumpkins going on here. I just wanted to just add some sort of browns and like a rich colors in here. Oh, I need to bring one more as well. I've not, I think it might be upstairs, but I'll show you that, which is the throw. This actually I made quite a while back, so it's quite cute. So I'm gonna use that somewhere. This is just a vase I'm just gonna leave there just in case that I need it. I got these from the range, and they're just a bunch of mulberry. I think that's what it's called, yeah, blossom mulberry. I thought it's a nice autumn color as well because it's got the deep reddish burgundy-ish, and it's got the off tones of the oranges. And here as well, I thought this would be nice because it's got the neutrals and the browns. So I grabbed two of these. Not quite sure where I'm going to place them, but we'll do it together. And this has to be my favorite, which is from Dunlem, and it's called Witch Hazel, and this is in the bundle brown. I also got this vase, which I think is really nice. It's got, there you go, now you can see it's got the brown tones, and I think it just goes really well in the home. I got this candle, Candle Fog, and this is a vanilla flavor, and it smells so good. I literally just opened it and I can smell it all over the house, so it smells really nice. Here we are with the chronicles of the cushions yet again, because we're still struggling. I'm not quite sure of this, because this doesn't necessarily go with this. So I think this might be an upstairs thing in the bedroom. I think I might have this upstairs in the bedroom, because I just think the detailing is really nice. So I had grabbed 2 of these. These are the ones that I grabbed from IKEA, and literally these are the 2 that I have from IKEA. So I'm still struggling, but I'm gonna see what I can come up with in terms of the sofa decor. Yeah, the sofa decor. Oh, also I did grab this as well. This is just like, I think it's a hair and thing. I think this would be really ideal for the bedroom, but also I can swap it around and bring it here if I want. Doing now is just placing the cushions to see which will go together, because when it comes to cushion and cushion decor, you just kind of need to just trial and error. Basically, you need to put things together, see if they look good, because you want the contrast to look good. You want a bit of character as well, and especially with me, the fact that I have a grey sofa, and because if I wanted a full decor, I think it was important to bring some sort of a rich tone to it, hence why I opted for the burnt orange cushion cover. So you'll see me go back and forth. I also step back to just make sure I have a full picture of what it looks like. But yeah, this is what I decided to come up with. I really like it. I think it looks good. So I'm going to be adding a throw over at the end, and I got this from Primark. It is so soft, and it's a large throw because there's 4 of us, so we need something that is going to cover all of us. So yes, I'm going to be adding this at the end, and I love the white. I felt like I needed to bring a bit of softness to the grey sofas, but this is it. It's very subtle. As I have young kids, I cannot really have too much going on, because you know how it's like with the kids. So yeah, that's everything done with the sofa, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move on to my dining area. I'm going to get that sorted nice and clean, and we can start decorating our tray. Clean my table, I'm going to be using the Astonish, and this is the pomegranate and raspberry, and it's the most divine smell. If you're in store, grab it because it's really lovely. So for the vase, I needed something to elevate it, hence why I took my photo book to try and elevate it, but the photo book was slightly slanted, so I decided to remove it and just place it, and it looked quite good. So this book that I'm adding, I actually made it myself. I just did the cover up myself from watching a YouTube video, so I just added it in the trays to give it a bit of a height, and now I'm just adding my pinecone candle holder on the top, and I'm just going to be playing around to just see where I want it placed. So this area is where I keep the kids' toys. Like I say, my living room is multifunctional, but I still want to give it a little bit of an edge and a full vibe to it. So I'm just going to be cleaning the top of the shelf, and I'm going to now redecorate that area. I'm just trying to have a look and see which fall flower is going to go in that vase. So I decided to go for the bunch of mulberries, and I just added one for now, but I felt like it was a bit lonely, so I added the second bunch, and it just all came together. I added the candle there and a diffuser that I have here as well. So it's now time to basically tidy up, get the room looking nice and fresh, and I'm just going to be sweeping the floor. I already did a hoover the day before, so I'm just giving the floor a quick sweep and then we are done. I got this beautiful room spray from Primark, and it's amber and bergamot, and it just smells so lush. It smells like a spa, and all I'm doing is just spraying it around the room, and I'm gonna let that settle in. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed my clean and decorate with me for this autumn. I kept it very minimal, and the next video will be me cleaning and decorating my bedroom for this autumn, and I'm so excited for that because I love everything bedding. So we're gonna get nice and cozy for that. So do remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next upcoming video. But thanks for doing this with me. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.